Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly how to make clothing brand ads that actually convert. So many of you guys have been asking me like, yo, like how do you make good converting ads that perform well? Like most of my creatives are dog shit and they don't really do that well. So today I'm going to show you the exact strategy we use for our clients. This exact strategy that we use to scale them from 0 to 6 figures or more. Also, before I start the video, if you guys don't know me, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flowsmike, where we help clothing brands scale from making $0 a month to $100,000 a month. We run the ads, the email marketing and SMS marketing and all of that shit, all of the back-end stuff. Alright guys, so if you're interested and would like us to scale your brand personally, just schedule a call with us down below. Let's get straight to work. Alright guys, so I just loaded up this real quick as you guys can see how to make clothing brand ads that actually convert. So you're gonna start with the number one most important thing, the number one reason why people stop and watch your video, and that's the hook. Like you gotta give people a reason to stop and watch the video, because if your ad is like any other ad that people see and they swipe away, like that's really bad. Like you have to have a good hook. Like you have to give people a reason to stay and watch the video, because if someone doesn't stay in the beginning and watches the video, like all the things they're doing after that is just useless. So really make your videos interesting in the beginning. Like give people a reason to stay and watch the video. Also, one thing I didn't add in this thing, but like the product really plays the most important part. If you have a shitty product, like no matter how good your creative is, nothing's gonna save you if your product is shit. So focus on the product. That's the first thing. So after you're done with all the hook and all, then you go to the most important part. Start with a winning creative concept. What that means is that you have to look at what your competitors are doing and try to copy what they're doing, because if it has worked for them, then why will it not work for you? If you have a good product, you're in the same niche, why will it not work for you? They have already tested it for you and it works for them. There's a 50% chance it might work for you. Then you're doing something off your head. The number one way to do that is through the meta ads library. Like all the ads that are run through meta ads must show in here, so whoever is running ads, you must see that ad in here. So now for example, let's say you want to go and check the ads for Dolly, because I'm not going to show you guys my ads. You're just going to search ad library, then you will see it here, then you press it here. So let's say for example you want Dolly's brand, as you guys can see here. Just go here, you'll see the brand here, then you just copy the username. After you have copied the username, then you paste it here, then you just go here. As you guys can see, these are all the ads that Dolly is running here. Alright, so let's go ahead and watch this video.
Hey, to Mexico, we ain't no crook. You don't fuck with me, girl. You just like the way I look. Roll over, pray, push ups, and I read a book. I got salmon and some scallops on my. Hey, to Mexico, we ain't no crook. You don't fuck with me, girl. You just like the way I look. Roll over, pray, push ups, and I read a book. I got salmon and some scallops on my.
Number one thing that's important here is that you can see how long the ad was being ran for. As you can see, this ad started running on the 13th of September 2025, which means that it might be a good ad. But if you really want to know what a good ad, you go down. As you can see, this ad started running in 17th March. This is probably a good ad that's performing. Like this creative is probably performing because they started running it since 17th March 2025 for 4 months. Like if it wasn't performing, they would have turned it off by now. As you can see, this ad was probably performing for them, because if it wasn't performing, they would have turned it off by now. Alright, so this is how you check creatives and see what your competitors are doing. Just go on the meta ad library. You can see all the ads that are running. As you guys can see, for this clothing brand owner that we're working with, we are running 63 ads, because the number one thing with our agents is that we test 20 plus creatives a week. So we started to run these ads like a month ago, but as you guys can see, we're already up 63 ads. This ad was performing like crazy. Let me show you the ad. Like this ad was going crazy for us. Let me show you. This ad was going like fucking crazy. Alright guys, so that's the best way to find a winning creative concept. Also, the second best way is going through Instagram. Like for example, let's go through here. Like your eyes will tell you a good creative. This ad will 100% go well, because every detail is shown in the ad. Everything looks good here. This ad was also 100% doing well. I'm really sure of that. So another good way that you can do is you can just go through reels, then you can keep scrolling until you find the reel with the highest views. Like that's not usually for ads, it's usually for organic content. If you're gonna go viral organic, you try and replicate the exact same content that big mid-level big brands, like I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but mid-level big brands, for example, this content. As you guys see, this content got 63,000 views, so that's 100%. No, look at this one.
Feel alone in a room full of people.
As you guys can see, this video got 2.5 million views, so I'm pretty sure this video got them much sales. Alright guys, so now that we're done with making winning creative concepts, I'm gonna teach you how to make good graphic designs for your brand that actually works well and that actually performs. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you exactly how to make the creatives yourself. Like, I'm gonna teach you how to make some good graphic designs yourself. You don't need to pay anyone. Let's go ahead and paste them here. Just select here, then you duplicate it, then you delete this. Let's do 2 products. Then alright, so after you have 2 and you have removed the background and everything, then you reduce the size, then you utilize them. You can fucking go on ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make me a good paper background. ChatGPT, make me a good paper background, please. Alright guys, so I was having a really hard time using ChatGPT to make that shit, but as you can see, ChatGPT made something that looked really shit. Wait, I'm gonna tell it to fix it. So I just downloaded one right here, as you guys can see. If you want me to send it to you guys, just hit me up, then I'll perfectly send it to you guys. Wait, let's go ahead and make this. Then you copy it again, rotate it to the other side. I'm gonna just leave it like this because it was really for reference, but as you guys can see, we have these 2 products here. Then you write site live now. No, let's go with a back to school sale. Just size it up, make it look perfect. Then maybe you can add a little drop shadow. Like guys, I'm not really that good at making creatives. I'm not, because for our clients, like, we have a full creative team doing all this shit for us, make it look perfect. This doesn't look good at all. Oh wait, I think this looks better. Then maybe you can go 30% off for today. 30% off for today. Put it in the middle. As you guys can see, it's already starting to look good. The only thing I don't like is the one here. You can make it better. Back to school. I think back to school is way better. You can just leave it like this. Then I think this already looks good. Does it really look good though? I'm gonna just show you guys an example of what we'll be cooking for our clothing brand owners. As you guys see, we made this one for one clothing brand. I made it myself for the last video that I recorded, but this looks really good. As you guys can see, we also made this for one of the clothing brands we're working in. I'm gonna show you another one. Like, we really be doing that shit, guys. As you can see, this went really well. Like, this performed like crazy. I'm gonna show you another one right here. This also did crazy. Like, we went crazy with this one. So guys, this might be the end of this video, but I didn't really spit that much sauce in this video. But if you guys want to work with us personally, just schedule a call down below, them you can see what you can do for you guys. Like, all of our clients are fucking eating $100,000 a month. Just schedule a call if you want to join our clients and eat too, because all of them are eating, trust me. Yeah, that's all guys. Peace.